It starts as just an idea, but quickly becomes something more. Shaped by many hands over many hours, the idea takes form. Built for longevity and endurance, it's more than just steel and timber. Every line, every detail is a testament to precision and craftsmanship. Thoughtfully designed by people who care, your shed is made with purpose. It's more than just a structure. It's the foundation for moments, memories, and milestones. From the workshop floor to the open road, it carries a promise of strength and reliability. Through the seasons, it stands strong, steady, and dependable. This is your shed. Built to last. Built for life.